Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the camera default photographic styles to standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm and cool. Now first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, tap on settings, and in settings go down and tap on camera. Next, go down and tap on photographic styles, and in here you can swipe across to choose which styles to use as the default. So here we got standard style and rich contrast style. If you swipe across, you got vibrant, and keep swiping over, you get warm, and finally you can choose a cool photographic styles. And next, select a style and then tap on use, and that's it. So now we have set a default photographic styles for your camera. When we open up the camera app, there is a style button up here. You can tap on it and it should set the default to warm. Now while you're in the camera, you still will be able to change the styles. So you can see I can still swipe across to choose a different photographic style. However, whenever you open up your camera, it's always going to choose the default setting. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.